What's up, guys? Welcome to Lawsplaining the Interwebs. I am your host, Nick Rekieta. I am a lawyer in Central Minnesota. I have my own law firm, which is Rekieta Law. And today, this video is something a little different. This is my teaser preview trailer for a much longer video that is being uploaded at the same time as this one. This is the complaint against Stormy Daniels against Donald Trump. From Stormy Daniels against Donald Trump, and this is brand new. It was filed March 6th. It is currently my time, 2:26 a.m. on March 7th. So this was filed just a few hours ago, and I have a full hour-and-a-half long video going through every word of this document. So for those of you who are interested in that, please go check out that video. This video is to give you just a brief preview of the major issues in this. So I'm not going to read through the document, but here's the complaint. It's about 7-8 pages. Not very interesting. I mean, it is kind of interesting. But then we have a several-page non-disclosure agreement between Trump, allegedly between Trump, Steffanie Clifford, who is Stormy Daniels, and Essential Consultants, LLC, care of Michael Cohen, who is Trump's top lawyer. So real quickly, here's some of the problems of this thing. If you'll notice, this is not signed by DD, which is a pseudonym used allegedly for Donald Trump. It is signed by Michael Cohen here and here. It is not signed by an attorney for Donald Trump. And then this other letter is the same thing. David Dennison is the pseudonym for Donald Trump, and he has not signed this document. So the question is Donald Trump a party to this document? And these are questions for the court, right? And I discussed them a little bit in that video. Is Donald Trump bound by this document? Did the Stormy Daniels breach this document when it was initially leaked to the media, along with the payment details and the people involved? Did Michael Cohen breach the non-disclosure agreement when he confirmed its existence to the media just several days ago? And then if the agreement exists at all, who's bound by it? In what ways are they bound? Do they have to go to a required arbitration proceeding? And then what happens at that arbitration proceeding? My personal thoughts are that there was a non-disclosure agreement that existed between them. I think it is presumptively valid, a valid non-disclosure agreement. I would argue that it was breached either by the initial disclosure to the media by someone associated with Miss Steffanie Clifford. I would argue that it was potentially breached by Michael Cohen, but only if they determined that it was not previously breached by Steffanie Clifford. And the way the document is worded, interestingly, it binds Steffanie Clifford from talking in the event of an alleged breach, but it does not bind Trump or Dennison, or Trump, aka Dennison, or Essential Consultants. It does not bind them in the event of an alleged breach from speaking. So it is possible that they would have a shield there stating that there was an alleged breach, and then they were able to make a statement about it. But Donald Trump's signatures don't exist, and that's kind of a curious element of this. If there is a copy of this that is signed by Donald Trump, like if he possesses a signed copy, then this is probably valid due to language in the non-disclosure agreement. If there is not a signed document by Donald Trump, it may still be completely valid and binding upon Mrs. Daniels because she still received money from Essential Consultants, who is allowed to stand in as a party for Donald Trump under the agreement. So very complicated stuff. If you're interested in reading the whole thing, please check out the other video on my channel. I'll provide a link in the description if I can remember. And I'm trying to keep this under 5 minutes, so I'm going to wrap it up. Hope you enjoy this. Hope you check out the longer video. This will be an interesting case, and I will provide updates as I am able to. Thanks a lot for watching Lawsplaining the Interwebs. You have a nice night.